Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So exactly 1 month back, I posted a video on TATAPOWER explaining its potential breakout, right? That pattern was forming for the entire 12 years. So I explained you where you can enter, where you can put your stop loss, everything. In case if you haven't seen that video, please make sure to check that because it is a continuation of that previous video. I'll put the link on the description and also in the pinned comment. So please make sure to check that. So right after I posted it, I got an entry and with a very small stop loss, and right now I'm sitting on a profit of more than 10%, and my profit is 2 lakhs on an investment of 20 lakhs. So this is entirely cash market trade, and I'm going to explain you all the entries and also the position. Okay friends, I hope you guys have seen the previous video because I'm not going to explain everything again. I'll leave the link in the description. You can check that video and come back. Okay, so this is the pattern, and I explained you about this breakout when this candle was trying to break out. But what happened was, I'll go into weekly. So 2 weeks there has been quite a bearishness, right? So I was just waiting patiently. I did not enter here, I was waiting for some kind of confirmation. So I waited almost 3 weeks, and then on a 4th week what happened was there was a huge bullishness. If you look at this weekly candle, both these bearish candle has been engulfed, right? So that gave me the confidence, and I entered at the price of 87.50, and this is my entry. So far it has given me a 10% move, right, in daily time frame. If you look at it, this is where I entered at 87.50, and so far it has moved 10%. So right now I'm in a profit of 2 lakhs rupees. Okay, so I know there's going to be a major question like, Rajan, I missed that video, can I enter now? So the answer for that would be, to me personally, I either enter at the right price or I don't enter. Okay, because here is the answer again. You can enter here, but your stop loss would be very huge here, right? If you are willing to take this much risk, go for it, because when I entered, my stop loss was very small. It's just this, right? But for you it can be very huge. If you are willing to take this risk, go for it. It all depends on your risk appetite. Okay, and this is the answer for that. I'm still holding on to this particular trade, and I will continue to hold it as long as I don't see any major reversal. Okay, I don't know, I do not have any exit plan. It's not like a round number at 120 I will exit, or at 180 I will exit. No, I do not have any round numbers also for the target. I just improvise my exit as per the market condition. Okay, if you guys made money in TATAPOWER, please let me know in the comment section. I would be very happy to know it. This is how our GFT membership works. We look for potential breakouts from any pattern, and we go for it with a very small stop loss. So the target is high for us and the stop loss would be very small. We teach you everything right from price action, candlestick patterns, everything from scratch, and I'm sure you will find it very useful because you will learn and also earn simultaneously. And if you cannot afford to enroll to my membership, please help me get 10k likes to this video so that I can come up with another potential stocks. And also for the people who likes to enroll, it's not very hard to recover the course membership fee. So you can find all the details in my website justfortraders.in, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll come back again with another video. Thank you so much.